Hello guys, welcome back to my channel OJ Marketing. In this video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step beginner's guide on how you could go on to making money with this platform right here, which is called Pinterest. And if you don't know what Pinterest affiliate marketing is all about, Pinterest affiliate marketing just involves you using Pinterest as a form of traffic medium to actually get a lot of people to go on to purchasing an affiliate marketing product. And you can utilize this platform right here, which is called ClickBank, to get affiliate marketing products and utilize Pinterest as a form of traffic source to drive traffic to such product. And once people do purchase that particular product, you get paid some cool affiliate commission. So you can utilize this platform right here called Pinterest for that right now. And I'm going to walk you through how you could do just that even as a beginner. If you're new to my channel, I create videos about CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and how to make money online. If you like such content, scroll through my channel. You'll be able to see some cool videos that could help you boost your income online. Also go on to subscribing to my channel and make sure your notification bell is on all to ensure that you do get alerted whenever I do release some cool and amazing videos that could help boost your income online. So without further ado and more delay of time, let's dive right into today's video. So the first thing which you actually want to do right now is to get an affiliate marketing product which you want to just simply go on to promoting, and we're going to be utilizing this platform right here, which is called the clickbank.com. All you need to do right now is to click on start here to go on to signing up to this platform. It is quite easy to sign up for the platform, and once you actually do sign up right now guys, you want to go onto the affiliate marketplace. And as you can see right now, I'm on the affiliate marketplace where I can actually do focus on any kind of offers right here, maybe ranging from the betting system, business and investing, computer and internet, cooking and wine, and a lot more other kinds of offers right here or products. Now if I want to focus on the weight loss, I'm just going to select the health and fitness, and I'm going to select this diet and weight loss, and I will be able to see lots of cool products in that particular niche right now that actually fits into that particular niche. And you can actually do keep on scrolling through, and you'll be able to see some lots of cool products right here which you can actually go on to taking advantage of. So just keep on scrolling through and you'll be able to see some cool products you can actually utilize right now. So supposing I want to promote this product right here, which is called Alpiline. This is actually a very cool product you can utilize right now for the weight loss niche. All you need to do is to click on promote right here, and you want to go on to inserting your affiliate nickname. And this is my affiliate nickname right now. If I do click on create hop link, my hop link has actually been created. I'm going to copy this right now and actually go on to inserting that in my notepad. So once that link has actually been saved on my notepad, we're going to get back to that. The next thing which you want to do is to head on to this platform called ChatGPT. And you want to use ChatGPT to generate this very cool content you can actually go on to utilizing, and just check out the prompts which I'm going to give ChatGPT right now. So take a look at this. I asked ChatGPT to write a blog post about Alpiline, and it should also write all the things it loves about the product and all the things it actually does not love about the product, and it should write it in the voice of a middle-aged woman who has been struggling to lose weight until she started using the product called Alpiline, and also include a call to action at the end. And you can actually do see right here that it's going to write up a cool story right now, and this is how cool it actually looks like. This is a very cool blog post with this particular platform that actually helped me to generate right now. You want to just simply leave this content right here because we're going to get back to that and go on to creating a simple landing page using this site called Google Sites. All you need to do is to click on this plus icon right now. It's going to take you to a page where you can actually go on to creating a simple landing page. What I'm going to do right now is to delete this particular section. Once I delete that guys, I'm just going to add in a text box right now, and that text box you want to type in something like, so right here as you can see it says, is this new weight loss supplement Alpiline worth the try? Try out my or this review right now. And if you put in something like this, what I'm going to do is to highlight this and actually go on to making this bold. I can actually go on to increasing the font size to something like 18, and I can then just simply go on to centralizing this right here by clicking on this particular section. So once this has actually been inserted right now, you can leave the page as it is right now, and you can actually go on to getting an image from this particular product by coming right here, select the affiliate page right now, and it's going to take you to a section where you can actually do see some cool details that can help you with getting or promoting this particular product right now. As you can see, these are actually images right here we can actually go on to using. I'm just going to select one of these right now. Maybe I just select this image right here. I can just right click on the image and save the image on my device. So once the image has successfully been saved on my device, I'm going to head back to my Google site right now and actually go on to clicking on images. I'm going to click on upload and upload that particular image. You can see right now that the image has actually been uploaded. I'm going to make that bigger and centralize this to something like this right now. Next, you want to just simply add in a text box also, and in this text box, that's where you're actually going to paste in that particular text which was generated right here with the help of ChatGPT. So I'm just going to copy this right now. So once I do copy this text right here, I'm going to head back to my landing page, paste that in right here, and you may actually need to go on to highlighting everything and maybe go on to changing the font color to black right now to make that look quite better. I'm actually going to go on to increasing the size to, let me say, 14, and this actually looks better right now. So once this has actually been done, you can go on to editing each section right here where you actually see that word called outline. You can edit that right here. You could go on to pasting in your link to your affiliate marketing offer. So what I'm going to do is to head on to a platform called TinyURL, which is actually a link shortener website to help me go on to shortening that lengthy URL. I'm going to paste that right here, click on shorten URL, and I have a new shorter version of the new URL. I'm going to copy that, head back to this page, paste in that right here. And for any section, guys, that actually do have the word outline, you want to just simply highlight that text right here, just like how I'm doing. Click on the link icon, paste in that particular link to that section, and click on apply, so that once they do click on that section, it's going to lead them to that particular product for them to go on to purchasing. So you want to do this right now continuously for each and every section right there, and actually go on to promoting this particular page. So you could also link that to this particular image right there, also paste the link, click on apply, and anybody that do click on that link will be taken to that particular image. For this section right here which says call to action, you can actually do remove this particular top section right here. I'm just going to remove this right now. So once this is actually done right here, you can actually then go on to promoting this right now. As you can see, this is actually quite cool. So once you're done, just simply click on publish right now. You want to select a web domain for this. So as you can see right here, this is actually available right now. I'm going to click on publish. I can actually then go on to copying the link to my landing page right here and go on to utilizing that. Next, guys, what you want to do is to get a before and after image on Google right now of weight loss, and you'll be able to see some cool before and after images you can actually go on to utilizing. Supposing I want to just simply use this image or this one right here, I'm just going to select that, and I can actually go on to downloading this image on my device by right clicking on this, click on save image, and save the image on my device right now. Then you want to head on to platforms like Canva right here, and on Canva you want to just simply search for Pinterest pin. So once you do search for that right here, you'll be taken to a section where you can go on to seeing a lot of templates you can actually utilize. But what I'm going to do is to actually select a blank template to actually go on to creating my template from scratch. Right now you want to come out to this section, click on upload, click on upload file, and actually upload that image which you downloaded right now, and that before and after image. And as you can see right now, the image is undergoing the uploading process. So I'm just going to insert the image right here. Maybe I'm just going to drag this section to this right now, and also this section just like this. I'm going to change the background color of this section right now to something like black, so that any text I actually do type will be visible in that section. So right now you want to go into the text section, select the header right now, and I'm just going to type in something like outline weight loss review. Once I type in something like this, guys, I'm just going to take that to the top section right here, and I'm actually going to just simply change the font color to something like white, so that that can be visible, and you can actually see that right in here. So I could actually go on to reducing the font size right now, and this actually looks quite okay right now. Next, I'm just going to go on to adding an element right here and do something similar for that particular section. So once I add in an element such as this, I'm just going to drag this to the bottom right now and go on to stretching this over this section. Then I can actually add in a text also. And if you do type in a text right here which says how the Alpilen weight loss pill works, here is everything you need to know. I'm just actually going to go on to reducing the font size right now to something that actually looks quite okay, and I'm just going to drag this to the bottom section, and you can actually edit this based on your preference to anything or based on how you want this. And once you're done, click on share and actually go on to downloading this right now, or you can actually go on to linking your Canva platform to your Pinterest account. As you can see, mine is already linked. I'm just going to click on this particular pin right now, and if I do select that, I can actually go on to posting my pin directly from this section. So right now I can just simply fix in my title, my description, and this section which says destination link. That's where you're actually going to insert that link right there. You could also go on to selecting the image which you want to just simply utilize right now, and this is just the image right here. It's going to be inserted. This section which says destination link or website, that's where you're going to paste in the link to your landing page right here. Copy the link, head back to that particular platform, and actually paste that in right here. And if you don't want to utilize this section, you can go to Pinterest directly right now. After downloading the image, you want to click on this home feed, you want to click on create pin, and you can actually go on to creating your pin quite easily just by uploading that particular image right here. As you can see, this is the image which was edited. If you upload that, add in a title, description, the link right here, which is the link to your landing page, if you paste that in right here, and actually going to fill in out other sections and drive traffic to your Pinterest or to your affiliate marketing product using Pinterest. And the cool thing about this is that Pinterest usually gets lots and lots of traffic, about 1 billion visits every single month. So utilize that to drive traffic to your affiliate marketing product and make a lot of money online. If the video was helpful, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell on all. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.